What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to factory reset and erase everything that you've got in here on your MacBook. You want to make sure we're going to wipe everything out in here and turn your MacBook into a brand new MacBook with no data on it. This is something that's specially done specifically if you want to sell your MacBook, you want to trade in, you want to change it with somebody else, and you want to make sure you do not have your information lying down in your MacBook device. I'm going to show you a couple ways, different ways of how to do this, and I'm going to show you as bonus as well how you can perform this on a much older MacBook like this one right here. I do have a pretty old MacBook, which is a MacBook 2014 as well, where actually the process is pretty much old. So I'm going to show you how to do it in this MacBook as well as on a much newer MacBook here, which is this MacBook right here, which is a 2019 MacBook. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues, and I also share cool tech hacks and fixes. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now jumping straight into today's video in here, resetting or simply factory resetting your MacBook is something very important that needs to be performed, especially if you are giving away your old MacBook or selling it. Now without any further ado, jumping straight into today's tutorial, the very first method in here is to hop into the top left corner, tapping here on the Apple logo, and then tapping here on System Preferences if you do have a much newer MacBook like mine in here. Now once you are here, what you want to do is first things first, tap here on your iCloud account at the top left corner where you do have your picture, and then you want to make sure you tap here at the inferior right corner. You want to tap on sign out to log out from your iCloud device first. So once that's done, next up we're going to tap here on general, and then down here you'll tap on transfer or reset. Okay, simply tap on transfer and reset, and once you've tapped over there, you want to tap here on erase all content and settings. Okay, tap once on erase all content and settings, and next up it's going to ask you for your MacBook's password to unlock this specific user. Let me quickly type it in. There we go. Once you're done, tap on enter or on unlock, and then a new window is going to pop up real quick. Now over here you'll be able to see all the users that you do have here logged in into your device, into this MacBook, and you want to make sure you select the user with the iCloud account and then tap here on continue and follow the steps to erase everything here from your MacBook. Now please note that this easiest way of doing it only works if you do have a much newer MacBook like this one. If you're running a pretty old MacBook, the process is quite different, but I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, so in my case, I'm going to simply quit this assistant because I'm not going to format it right now, but I'm going to show you how to do it on a much older device now. On a much older MacBook in here that we've got in here, what I would recommend you guys to do is to first tap on the Apple logo. Next up, simply tap here on System Preferences, and before we even proceed, I would recommend you guys to log out of your iCloud account. If you do have an iCloud account linked, you simply need to tap on iCloud and you'll be able to see if you do have any Apple ID account logged in. It's always recommended to remove your iCloud before proceeding with such procedures, right? So here we go, I've already removed it. I do not have any iCloud in here linked. So I'm going to tap on the Apple logo here, and then I'm going to tap on restart. Now make sure that you are ready to press and hold a combination of keys in here, which is the left command and the R button, in order to bring us to the recovery menu. Okay, so simply tap on restart, and once your computer restarts, okay, it asks me to restart. It hasn't restarted yet. Let me tap on restart. Once it restarts, hold Command and R. Okay, so you want to press this keys combination in here and keep on holding it until you see the Apple logo on your screen. So once you see the Apple logo on your screen, you're going to release it. That means that it's taking you to the recovery menu here on your MacBook. Okay, so simply keep on pressing and holding the key combination for some seconds. There we go. Just wait for a couple more seconds until we see the loading bar over there. There we go, it's now loading. I'm gonna release the key combination and I'm gonna let my MacBook turn on normally. There we go, beautiful. Here we are. Now we are here on OS X Utilities. What we want to do is wipe out our data manually. you want to format our disk, and then we'll reinstall the operating system. So you want to make sure that you're connected to a Wi-Fi network first so you can actually download the operating system once again. To connect to a Wi-Fi network, here at the top right corner, you do have an option to connect to a Wi-Fi network. Simply select it, connected, type in the password, and you're good to go. Next up, we're going to tap here on disk utility and then tap on continue real quick. Now over here, it's going to gather disk information of the disks that you do have in here. So what you want to do is select the very first disk that you've got at the top left corner, and then you want to tap on erase here in order to erase that disk or simply format it. Okay, now in terms of the format that we're going to allocate, it should be macOS journaled. Okay, so simply select macOS journaled and then simply tap on erase and simply tap on erase, and the erase process will start immediately, and in a few seconds you'll be ready here to install a fresh new operating system on your blank disk, SSD or HDD. Let's wait for a couple more seconds. There we go. The disk has been successfully erased, and even if you try turning it on right now, it will not turn on because it doesn't have an operating system. Next up, you just need to close this real quick and then simply tap on reinstall OS X and then tap on continue. Give it some time, tap on continue once again and tap on continue once again. And then the installation process here will start as soon as it verifies that your computer is actually a proper Apple device. There we go, terms and conditions. You just need to accept, tap on agree, and then the installation process will start, or the download process. Select the disk where you wish to install the operating system, tap on install, and there we go. The process has started right now. All we need to do is now sit back, relax, and let our computer do its thing, download it from the internet, and install it into your computer. This is how you can wipe out data here from your MacBook, regardless of the MacBook model that you've got. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video, and if you find my content useful, consider subscribing to the channel, like the video, and let me know in the comment section if you do have any doubt or questions. Thanks for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.